Okay, another example. Example number 1, analysis of a 12.04 gram sample of a liquid compound composed of carbon, hydrogen, and nitrogen showed that it contains 7.34 grams of carbon, 1.85 grams of hydrogen, and 2.85 grams of nitrogen. What is the percent composition of this compound? So, this is from our first learning objective, wherein compute the percent composition of a compound from experimental mass measurement. So, ibig sabihin, from the problem, we have given masses. So, for the carbon, hydrogen, and nitrogen. And we have a total mass of the compound, which is for about 12.0 grams. So, ibig sabihin, given na lahat ng needs from the problem. So, what will be our solution? So, same from our previous discussion, we will just apply the general formula. The mass of the element divided by the mass of the compound. So, hindi pa natin alam kung anong compound yan, kaya nilagay natin word na compound. So, to get the percentage composition of carbon, we have 7.34 grams of carbon. So, saan natin nakuha yun? From the problem, bring it down, divided by the total mass of the compound, which is 12.04 grams of the compound, times 100%, we will get 61.0%. How about for the percentage of hydrogen? We have given 1.85 grams of hydrogen. Bring it down and then divide it by with the total mass of the compound, which is 12.04 grams. So, sabi ko sa inyo kanina, pag hindi to given, just get the summation of the total masses of the compound. We have 7.34 grams plus 1.85 plus 2.85, so we will get 12.04 grams. So 1.85 grams of hydrogen divided by 12.0 grams of the compound times 100, so we have 15.4%. And for the percentage of the nitrogen, so given from the problem, we have 2.85 grams of nitrogen divided by 12.0 grams of the compound times 100%, so we will get 23.7%. So, if you will get the summation of this, we will get the total of 100%. So, the analysis results indicate that the compound is 61.0% of carbon, 15.4% of hydrogen, and 23.7% nitrogen by mass. So, for test yourself. So, ganun lang din dito. We'll just apply it with from the problem. For the percentage of carbon, ilalagay lang natin siya dito na 3.01. So, ito mapapalitan siya ng 3.01 grams of the carbon divided by, so given na yung total mass of the compound, 24.81% times 100. So, ang makukuha natin is 12.1%. Ganon din for oxygen. So, ang oxygen natin, so papalitan natin to, oxygen, we have 4.00 grams. So, rather divided by 24.81 grams times 100%, so we will get 16.1%. And for 17.81 grams of chlorine divided by 24.81 grams of the compound times 100%, so we will get 71.8% of chlorine. So, if we will get the summation of this percentage, we will get a total of 100%. So, ulitin ko pag hindi 100%, so automatically it will be incorrect. Pero kung may discrepancy tayo na 0.1, 0.2, it's okay. Kasi may rounding off tayo. Pero kung itutuloy-tuloy nyo sa calculator, ang makukuha nating sagot, perfect 100%.